In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the McAfee extension to Google Chrome. As we embark on this task, it's important to ensure your browsing experience is not only efficient, but also secure. Adding trusted extensions, like McAfee, can significantly enhance your computer's security measures. First, let's get started by opening Google Chrome on your computer. You want to make sure you're connected to the internet so that the process can go smoothly. With your browser open, navigate to the address bar at the top of the screen. Here, you will type in chrome.google.com/webstore and then press enter on your keyboard. This will take you to the Chrome Web Store, the official place to find verified extensions for your Chrome browser. Once there, you'll find a search bar specifically for the web store. Type in McAfee and hit enter. The search results will display a variety of extensions related to McAfee. Key extensions you might encounter include McAfee WebAdvisor, McAfee Safe Connect, and McAfee Total Protection Browser Extension. These tools are designed to protect your online browsing, keep your data private, and ensure your device is secure. Carefully select the McAfee extension you wish to install. It's crucial to ensure it is published by McAfee LLC. This verification helps you avoid any fake or malicious versions that could potentially harm your system instead of protecting it. Always look for the official publisher when adding extensions to maintain the integrity of your computer's security. Once you have identified the correct extension, click on it to proceed. You'll see an option labeled Add to Chrome. Clicking this button will initiate the installation process. A pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm your decision. Click on Add Extension to give your approval. Now, the download and installation process will commence automatically. It should only take a moment for Chrome to complete this step. Once the extension is installed, you will notice the McAfee icon has appeared in your Chrome toolbar, located at the top right corner of your browser. This icon lets you know that McAfee is now active and working to keep your browsing safe. If the McAfee extension requires activation, you may be prompted to sign in with your McAfee account or link it to your subscription. Follow the easy on-screen instructions to finish this step. It's a seamless process that helps you get the most out of your McAfee extension. And that's it! You've successfully added the McAfee extension to Google Chrome. You can now browse with added peace of mind, knowing that your online safety is bolstered by one of the leading names in cybersecurity. Remember, keeping your extensions up to date is just as vital to ensure ongoing protection. Thanks for following along today, and happy browsing!